It is of significant importance to take note that the H5N1 flu virus, or the bird flu, has been found in backyard hens. It is important that those who use backyard hens take precaution, because one will only discover when fallen ill. It went further to a poultry farm apart from backyard hens. Therefore, there are those businesses running, keeping hens, and then preparing it as a form of business for their eateries. So, for the well-being and the health, everyone should take note of the state. My name is Olisile Pretty Gombi Kandava.